Well, hello, Wallace. Hello. Want to be free? I'm following you. Wallace. Huh? No, I'm taking a movie. I was going to kind of shock Liam by putting it on YouTube and telling him to look for Wallace.
Oh, go get the toy. There's a toy for you. Come on, you're a movie star now. You're a movie star.
I think the dog's already conceited enough.
Come on. Bring him back. Get the toy. Get the ball. Get something. Come on. Don't just stand there.
Wallace, ball.
Give me. Come.
Pooh, do something.
Come on, get the ball.
Okay.
Very boring movie, Wallace.
I think that's